Hey guys, what's going on? Welcome back to another Lux London video, and today we have a beautiful new piece here which I want to show you. This is the tag Heuer Aquaracer in the quartz movement, and this is on a lovely blue colorway. This is a nice blue sunburst effect on this dial, and as you can see it comes on the blue strap here, and it's a rubber bracelet or a rubber strap, and this is a diver's watch, so it does have the ceramic bezel as well. So guys, this is available to purchase if you are in the market for a lovely brand new Aquaracer. This has been untouched. As you can see, it's in great condition. The previous owner did not wear it, and thus what that means is that the strap on the back, it has not been adjusted, it has not been snipped off. As you know, with these rubber bracelets you do have to cut it to adjust it to your wrist size, but this one is absolutely untouched. So you will be the first one, if you do purchase, to resize this bracelet to your wrist. So I'm just going to take it off the pillow here just to give you a better look at the watch itself. As you can see guys, now this is a beautiful watch. Comes in a 41mm face, so it's a very nice size, very wearable, and it also has that sporty look as well, so it's excellent for casual wearing. Like I said, it has the rubber bracelet, so it's very easy on the wrist as well. Now if I just put this down, just before I do, just want to show you the back there. You can see the vintage swimming mask there, or diver's mask, whatever you want to call it. So this is actually a full set, so it comes with all the box and papers along with the warranty card as well. So you can see here we have the international warranty card included inside the box. We also have the original tags as well. The reference numbers and stuff are going to be detailed on the listing in the link in the description below. We have the full original box as well in full perfect condition, and then of course we have the booklet to go along with it as well. So you can see has all of the instructions in here. Everything is included in the box, and yeah, this is a really lovely watch, and it's perfect for people that are just getting, you know, of course if you're a tag fan, then this is going to be a really nice watch. And if you're not a tag fan and you're just getting into Swiss watches, this is an excellent brand to get started with Swiss watches. They have a very good quality standard, of course, like you would expect from any Swiss brand out there, but Aquaracers and Tag in particular just make it really accessible to that person who's just getting into watches. So I'm going to give you a quick turn of the ceramic bezel just to show you that it's all working. As you can see, it has a very nice satisfying click to it, and also it's quite nice and thin on the wrist as well, which is obviously an added bonus. So yeah, once again, this piece is now available at Lux London. You can purchase from our eBay listing, which will be linked in the description below. Any questions, you can drop them in the comment section below, and we will be happy to help you out. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.